Hey y'all, welcome back to our Infinity Hoop Workout channel. Today we've got a very special workout for you. It's our vibration plate, core, and legs workout. In this workout, we'll do our 2-minute warm-up and 2-minute cool down standing. But the 6 minutes in the middle, we're going to be laying down on our vibration plate so that we can work out our core. So as always, we'll start with our 2-minute warm-up. Our core workout on the vibration plate has many benefits. You get increased muscle activation, especially your stabilizer muscles. It improves your stability. You get better coordination, and also it's time and efficient. You get faster results in muscle tone and strength due to the intense muscle contractions. So in this workout today, we are going to have the inset that demonstrates the movements coming up next. But this time we will pause our video at the 2-minute mark so that you can lay on your vibration plate. So if your vibration plate comes with a remote, this would be a good time to use it. Because once you get your 2 minutes warm up in, you're going to pause your vibration plate so that you can lay down on it, and then you can use your remote to get it started again. And just a quick warning to let you know that once we start working on our core, you're going to really be working up a sweat because your core muscles are going to be engaged for the entire 6 minutes. So coming up next, we're going to get ready to transition into our first core movement. If you notice in the inset, we're going to be doing the leg scissors. So once we get to the end of this 2 minutes, you're going to go ahead and pause your video so that you can get in position to make the transition. So here is where you'll go ahead and pause so that you can get in position. Alright, so as we resume our vibration plate, you want to make sure that you have it to a low to medium setting. Mine is set to 5. You don't want to use the auto because when it gets to the higher settings, it'll be very difficult to maintain and it'll be more uncomfortable for you. So we're going to take a few seconds to get our balance and to get acclimated to this position on the vibration plate before we begin our first movement. So we're going to get in position to perform our first lower body movement, which is going to be leg scissors. Get ready, 60 seconds. Begin. Throughout these 6 minutes, our transverse abdominis and our obliques muscles are the 2 main muscles that will be engaged throughout this entire 6 minutes. So make sure you're paying attention to your form. Coming up next, we're going to be making our first transition. We'll be doing the scissors kick as you see in the inset. Get ready to transition and transition. 60 seconds. Coming up next, we're going to be transitioning into our leg extensions. Get ready to transition and transition. We're really engaging those core muscles. So make sure that you're keeping your neck supported and you're engaging that core. Coming up next, we'll be doing some bicycle pedaling. Get ready to transition and transition. 60 seconds. Coming up next, we're going to transition into knee claps. Keep your ankles crossed as you perform this movement for 60 seconds. Get ready for the transition and transition. So for our last movement, we're just going to transition into balance so that we can just maintain a position for the final 60 seconds before we start our cool down. Alright, we can just move on into our balance. That was a tough workout and I'm sure you feel it in your core. We're just going to maintain this position for a few more final seconds and then you can pause your video so you can get back to a standing position. Alright, you made it. Go ahead and pause your video and get into a standing position for our cool down. Keeping a consistent workout schedule goes a long way in your weight loss journey. And on this channel, we try to keep it interesting, so we work on different types of workouts to keep you motivated and to keep you interested so that you're not bored with the same old routine. So be sure to take a look at our video library, choose the workout that meets your workout level, and go ahead and get started. You don't have to be perfect, but the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. Remember, the warm-up and the cool-down is just as important as the workout in the middle, so you want to see it through to the end. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Drop us a comment and let us know how we're doing, and also share it with a friend. We are all in this weight loss journey together. So the more we can keep each other motivated, the more consistent we can be in our routine. So give yourselves a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next workout. Bye.